Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add some subtitles onto your videos. Now I've used subtitles for a good while now and they get easier and easier as you use them, but they're also a pain in the butt. But they really add onto your video and it's really worth it because it gives you a higher quality in your video and it just adds something. So I'm just going to click on a random project. So the only app you really need is VLLO, but we're just going to go to text and go to text. Now it's going to show you some presets you can use, but I'm just going to click on the first one that shows up here. Now you can download fonts if you want, or you could just use VLLO's fonts, but I like using my own fonts. I usually use my Minecraft fonts. The video I'm using for an example in this tutorial, I'm just using a little clip of my streaming starting soon screen. I don't know what it's called, but basically it's just clouds. And you know, there's no talking in it. I'm not gonna make a whole talking video just for this, but say I'm talking right here. Hello everyone. I just spelled that wrong. Alright, so we've got that. And make sure when you start speaking, it's gonna show up, so drag that to wherever you're starting to speak. And when you're ending what you're saying, you know, end the text. For example, I'll just say hello everyone for this long. So now we're gonna go to partial setting, turn that on. Make sure at the beginning of your little text there, and of course make sure you're clicked on the text. Now we're going to press this button. It's like the arrow with the line in front of it on the right side. We're gonna press that 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. If it's more or shorter than that, that is totally fine. This is just what I use. We're gonna click the diamond button with the plus in the middle right there. And we're gonna use the arrow button once again, but 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Make sure this is the size and area where you want your text being shown on your video, because this is where it's gonna be for the majority of the text being shown. So we're gonna slide back to the beginning and we're gonna size it all the way down so it makes like a pop-up. I'm gonna go like this. And you know how we put that diamond in the middle right here? So we're gonna scale it up a bit so it has a little pop-up motion. So it's gonna do that. And I really like this animation because it's completely self-made and you can do whatever animation you'd like for this. This is the main animation I do, put my text into my video or subtitles. So yeah, that's gonna be the beginning. And then now we're gonna slide to the end. We're gonna add a diamond right at the end. We're gonna go backwards like about 3, 1, 2, 3. And that's gonna be that. And then at the end of your text, at the last diamond, we're gonna size it down all the way. Make sure that you don't really slide your text to the side or anything, because that might mess it up. This is what it's gonna look like. And I really like this, honestly. You can also add an audio clip. You can go to the sound effects and try to find a popping sound effect. Most of the popping sound effects are in #effect. So yeah, and you can just slide it to wherever your text is. Now this is kind of an extra part, but yeah. So that's basically it for this tutorial. I hope this helped you guys. It's a nice short tutorial so you can do whatever you want. And this is just really about what you want your subtitles to look like. This is just my preference and I think it looks fine on its own. But you can basically do whatever you want with this, and you can even color it. Say I want green. That doesn't really look good, but I mean, whatever. So yeah, do whatever you want. Now they have gradients in text, so that's really cool actually. I think they just added that. So yeah, I hope this helped you guys, and you can just work off of this and find your own style. And yeah, as I said before, I hope this really helped you guys, and hope this was easy for you. So if it was, comment, like, and subscribe, because I really like hearing feedback. So make sure to do those things, and yeah, see you guys later. Bye.